Hello, welcome back to INCG Max. Today, looking on logical question. Solve x belongs to real numbers. 2 into 1 over x square plus x square over 1 minus x square plus 5 into root of 1 minus x square over x plus x over root of 1 minus x square plus 4 equal to 0. Here you have to find the value of x. As you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 800 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you, Amma. So here, how to solve this problem? Some logic is there, that's why this problem is selected. Here x square by 1 minus x square is there. Here root over 1 minus x square by x, x by root of 1 minus x square. So here x square by 1 minus x square. This one you have to make the target. So here the value is not there. So what you are doing is 1 plus 1 minus x square over x square. If you take LCM, here you'll get 1 by x square plus x square by 1 minus x square plus 5 into root of 1 minus x square by x square plus root of x by 1 minus x square plus 4 equal to 0. Now the equation we are getting some common value. X square by 1 minus x square, we are having reciprocals here. Okay, let us take root over 1 minus x square by x square is equal to y. Then y square will be 1 minus x square by x square. Now if you substitute these values here, the equation will become 1 plus y square plus 1 by y square minus 5 into y plus 1 by y plus 4 equal to 0. Now from this, let us take y plus 1 by y is equal to t. That implies squaring on both sides, y square plus 1 by y square is equal to t square minus 2. Now substitute this value here, 2 into 1 plus t square minus 2 minus 5 into t plus 4 equal to 0. Now we are getting a quadratic 2t square minus 5t plus 2 equal to 0. Now value of t is 5 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here you'll get 5 plus or minus 3 by 4. So here you'll get 2 or 1 by 2. The value of t is 2 or 1 by 2. Now replace t value, 1 plus y is equal to 2. So y square minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies y is equal to 1. Now in the same way, the other value y plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2. Y plus 1 by y is always greater than 2. Why? Because y is greater than 0. So here this value is not applicable. Y plus 1 by y not equal to 1 by 2. Now replace this y value. So what is y value? Root of 1 minus x square by x square is equal to 1. Replace y value here. 1 minus x square is equal to x square. 2x square is equal to 1. X square is equal to 1 by 2. That implies x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. So here you can write x is equal to plus or minus root 2 by 2. So here x is less than 0. So here you cannot take x is equal to root 2 by 2. Therefore x is equal to minus root 2 by 2 is the answer. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching IANS Easy Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching IANS Easy Max Olympiad.